Wait, what were you saying?
Oh, hi. Hey there. Alex Southimath. You know what I mean? Bike check. Got a leader motor Kai. You see this? Leader motor Kai. Reaper forks. Change headset. Brev spacers. Demolition stem. Redline Urbis bars. ODI long neck grips. Let me see. FTX 26 inches. Knobbead. I betrayed the 700s. I got 8-inch cranks, not 8-inch cranks. Profile sprocket. Shadow Conspiracy chain. I got a Velocity hub. I don't know how I got that laced on this wheel. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Oh yeah, my ratio. 28-13. Too fast.
Too
You
fast.
wanna know some more? Let's do a trick. Let's
Swag.
see me die.
Swag. Swag.
Where'd he go? High five, man.
Left him hanging.